Here we tried to unseal it with the roof snake here, and it ripped as there's debris transfer right there. So we're gonna try to take that one out. We're gonna go up underneath there with the roof snake. One down there. There's one here. Can you grab that one as well? Notice it already ripped as we're trying to take it out. There you go. All right. And one right here. And the last one should be right here. Now, these should just come, this should just come right out.
What's the measurement on it here? About 36.
Yeah.
Close to exposure.
So, these are double nailed under here. As we pulled off all 4 nails out, as you can see, the shingle still does not pull out, so we're gonna have to go up another further row. Pull this guy out. That's ripping as I'm taking the transfer out here. Alright. That's ripping as I'm taking that one out. As you can see, there is mat transfer in multiple areas. All right, do you have another shingle?